Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope Allah be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes and habited, and may you continue to enjoy like this assignment. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish handglass designs ideas collection. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrasts, very amazing colorful crochet hand gloves ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today our new designs. Graphic channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about some designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box. I will like our video if you want to watch. Fashion videos and Fingerless, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else on the internet. Similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So fun today is amazing, every day lovely designs. Guys, ending the video on my channel, I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter designs. That's all. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Please.